Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do my weekly spread in my DIY catch-all planner. The cover of this planner is an art cover. The discs are silver metal discs by the Happy Planner, and the inserts on the inside are inserts from my Patreon as well as my shop at scrapcraftastic.com. As you can see, I still have not decorated. I don't know that I ever will decorate this planner. The bookmark is from right from my heart, and I'll try to remember to link to their shop in the description box below. This insert and all other dated inserts hereforth will only be available to Patreon Plus and Elite members. So if you're interested in dated printable inserts for monthly, weekly, whatever the case may be, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic, and I will be incorporating other styles. I'm thinking of adding a horizontal version coming up soon. So if you're team horizontal, you might want to join us and check it out. This is last week's spread. I think this is probably one of my most favorite spreads ever as far as using inserts. I have several that I like from my From Scratch days, which I will be going back to for those of you that love those videos. I will be doing some From Scratch spreads coming up in the not so distant future. But this, as far as printable inserts, my inserts, this is probably one of my favorites. So if you were interested in the sticker kit that I used to create this spread, again, it's available to Patron Plus and Elite members, so you can go over to my Patreon and check that out. So for this week, I'm not going to use the Patreon insert. I am going to stray a little bit, and I'm going to use this printable that's available in my shop. It's foil ready, but I'm not going to be foiling it. I'm going to use it as is. I just printed it on my inkjet printer. I did not print it front to back because I kind of wanted to just place it here inside in this space. So I'm not going to worry about printing front and back. And I just need to cut it in half, and I'll cut this one too and keep it for future use if I decide to use it again. And this week's prompt in the 2020 Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge is Roses Are Gold. If you don't know about the challenge, I do have a list of challenge prompts available in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group, so you can go over there and join us and play along with the challenge. Again, this week is Roses Are Gold, and you can interpret that however you want. So the prompt was inspired by a kit that I have in my shop, and the kit is called Roses Are Gold. But again, the prompt is also open to interpretation. But this is the kit, and it's available for use with Cricut, Silhouette, and to cut by hand. So it's a print, then cut. So this is everything that's in this kit. So that's it for the kit. And as a bonus for Patreon Plus and Elite members, I made available to them a set of just the gold roses. And this is what I've printed then cut. I actually reduced and printed a bunch of them in Cricut. And then this is one of the sets, the one without the leaves, and I just printed it full size. So print and cut. So I have all of that to work with on this spread. And there's not a lot going on this week. I have an appointment here, no school here, it's a holiday. And basically that's it that I know of, other than the typical ballet. And yes, we are back to ballet, so there's that. If you didn't know what was going on with that, you can visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, where I kind of talk about what was happening with that. And I talk about other things, and I also take you along when I go shopping in Michael's, Joanne, Hobby Lobby, Tuesday morning, all of them. So There we go. So I'm just going to stick the two that I'm not using in the back to be punched and added at another time. And let's play. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video. I think I've pretty much done enough talking. I'll probably pop in here and there and say a few things, but for the most part, I'm just going to go ahead and do this. So I forgot I had these scallops from Simply Gilded. So I may have to take up some some stuff. Okay, so this is perforated. Didn't know that. so I think I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and punch this. Hopefully I'll punch it right. And put it into my planner. So, Junior is the size of this, or when you're using the art punch it is. So, everything's up. I was almost tempted to write, but I'm not ready yet. So this is going to go in here. So that's it for this week's Catch-All Plan with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!